Let's talk about Al Diaz for a second. They both met while attending City High School, like I said. And Al had been graffiti writing since the age of 12, as his name was Bomb One. That was his alias as a graffiti artist. At the age of 16, Al Diaz and Basquiat started to collaborate. By the time they turned 19, they had very different goals. Al grew more interested in making music and preferred to stay very low key. Jean Michel wanted to blossom, obviously, and become the famous artist that he was sure he was going to be. And Al Diaz says, we had been like brothers for years and just started to get on each other's nerves, the way teenagers do. And then again at 19, they kind of went their own ways. In 78, Basquiat worked for the Unique Clothing Warehouse in their art department in NoHo in New York. And for those of you who don't know New York that well, NoHo means north of Houston. Soho means south of Houston. Houston is kind of like the Cesar Chavez in a way, I guess, of streets in New York. It's kind of like one, kind of like one of the main dividing roads of the city. Um, so um, so at the Unique Clothing, the Unique Clothing Company's founder Harvey Russack discovered Basquiat painting on one of the buildings one night, and they became friends. He liked the art, and became friends, and he offered him a job. Um, Basquiat and Diaz ended their friendship, and Samo kind of was over, and basically Basquiat used to go around and write "Samo is dead" all around New York City.